In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PicPay. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, the easiest and safest way to install PicPay is directly through the Google Play Store. This helps make sure you're downloading the official app and not a copy or an outdated version from somewhere else. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's usually already installed on your device. Once you're inside the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search field, type PicPay. After that, look through the results and find the app named PicPay, Conta, Cartão e Pix. Make sure you select the correct app title so you're installing the right one. This is an important step, especially if there are other apps with similar names showing in the results. When you open the app page, you'll see more details about the app, such as its icon, description, reviews, and screenshots. If everything looks correct, tap the install button. Your device will then begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer, so give it a moment to finish. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. At this point, PicPay will guide you through the next part of the setup directly on your screen. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to continue. These prompts are designed to walk you through the process step by step, so just read each screen carefully and proceed as needed. If your device asks for permissions during setup, take a moment to review them before continuing. A quick tip before you move on. If the app doesn't appear right away, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your device has enough storage space available. Also, keeping your Android system updated can help apps install and run more smoothly. And that's all there is to it. You've now downloaded PicPay on your Android device and opened it successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.